How to use MetaMask. If you know how to use MetaMask properly, there's a lot that you could do. Different wallet like Trust Wallet, Exodus Wallet, MetaMask, Hobby Wallet, they all have different uses. Okay, they are all for storing crypto, but there are different advantages to them. So now this video is detailed enough to show you how to use MetaMask wallet, and then so that you are able to leverage on whatever advantage that MetaMask has to offer. So see you in the video. All right. Okay, to start with, this is the first thing that we need to. Let's go to MetaMask on my phone right here. Click on MetaMask, and then it will load up like this. Here we have it. Okay, already I have a MetaMask right here, and I have my wallet right here. Everything is set. Okay, so now I'm going to use my fingerprint and open it right here. Okay, so I have my MetaMask wallet right here. This is how MetaMask typically looks like. This is how MetaMask typically looks like. When you first open it, it looks like it's on a Ethereum network, just like you can see at the top. They're showing Ethereum network. Okay, so MetaMask was officially built on Ethereum network. So if you copy this address and you send to somebody, that is this address I just copy right here. Now anybody could send you an Ethereum and to reflect on your MetaMask wallet and any other coin that is on MetaMask address. But there is a kind of difference between this and every other address, but they are all the same thing with the rest of them right here, but there's a slight difference. Okay, and that slight difference is in the numbers. The numbers are actually the same, but some of other ones are actually written in lowercase. Okay, but if you send your coin to your wallet, your MetaMask wallet using this address, it won't be lost. Okay, if you want to receive token, you click on receive, and then it will be sent to you. Then if you want to buy, you could actually use different options, MoonPay or Transact right here, to buy with your credit card. Let's say you have some tokens here. This is where you use the send option, paste in the address you want to send it to. Okay, and then click next, and then you're able to send to whoever you want to send coin to. Here too, you could swap directly on your wallet. You could swap from Ethereum to any other token of your choice. So we have USD, WBTC, GGT, and so many one that are here you could swap to. Okay, that's a direct swap. Okay, now if you want to add a coin, or let's say a token, rather a token on your MetaMask address, now this is what you do. Let's say you have a token. Let's go to BSC scan right here, because it's on BSC scan we get majority of tokens that we add up. Let me click on BNB coin for instance, and then scroll all the way up, and then when I scroll the way up, click on links and explorer. Okay, Etherscan. Okay, let's go to Etherscan. Okay, I'm having difficulty going through there. So if I go to Etherscan, I'm just going there to grab a random coin. Okay, so let me search let me just search BNB right here. Okay, BNB. Okay, so since I'm just grabbing a random coin, let me tap on this one and grab this one. Now what we look for here is the contract address. If I copy the contract address, go to my MetaMask right here, it will always ask me to enter passcode all over again. Okay, now click on imports. When you click on imports and click on import, paste in the address that I copied. Most likely it will just reflect, but if it doesn't, then you just have to add it up as a custom token, paste it in right there, then click out. It will automatically just reflect just that way. Then click import, Now you see that token has been imported because it is on Ethereum address. Metamask is officially built on Ethereum address. So even if you want to send coin, there's a direct scan icon at the top right hand side where you can just tap and scan the address directly before sending your token to that address. So now, to access other great features of Metamask, you see here there's a menu bar there. On that menu bar, you can tap there and then you see a host of different features. Okay, let me go back. I have to enter the passcode again. Okay, when you tap on that menu bar, there's a host of different features. You could add more than one account to this MetaMask by creating a new account, by importing an account, or by connecting to a hardware wallet. Okay, let's say I have a private key. I could just add another account by adding the private key address to this address. Okay, then we have browser. This is the browser. If you tap on the browser, this is the browser where you can visit several links that you can carry on transaction, like the OpenSea link, or the where you can buy and sell NFT. And then also you can also visit the Uniswap platform, and you're able to connect your wallet directly and swap on MetaMask. If you tap on the wallet just takes you into the wallet and shows you the different tokens or coins that is on your wallet. Then if you tap, and then the activity shows you the series of activity transactions that has been carried on your wallet. Then if you go down, you see share my public address. That is if you want to share your address to someone, like the public address is the address you want people to send coin into. Then view on Etherscan, you could actually view your MetaMask wallet on Etherscan. Then you could see the number of coins that is in it, the one that is not on it, the one that is on a different chain. The only coin that is on different chain here is, okay, you could see there's another coin WB on different chain right here. Okay, it's actually a great token. Then let me go back. MetaMask. So each time that I log out and want to log back in, it always requests me to enter passcode. That is a security measure that is enabled by MetaMask to just make sure that there's no such thing as anybody grabbing your wallet and then scamming you of your entire token. So now let's click on that same menu. The next thing is we have request, support, request feature, and lock. Okay, let's click on the setting feature. The setting feature, there are several things you could set, ranging from the currency to fiat currency to the language and then to the block identification. Then if I go back, the privacy, there's where you have your recovery phrase.
MetaMask is a new way to connect to sites and applications. On traditional websites, a central database or bank is responsible for controlling and recovering your accounts. But on MetaMask, all of the power belongs to the holder of a master key. Whoever holds the key controls the accounts.
Then the next thing, we have advanced option, okay, where you could actually reset your wallet and where there are other advanced stuffs. Okay, then contact, edit. Okay, so you could actually edit some particular address. Okay, so now one of the most important section that you might be needing is the network section. This network section, MetaMask allow you to actually add a different network. Okay, so you can add coins on different networks and their tokens. Okay, this is the main network MetaMask is on. This one is subsidiary network that you find it on. Now these are the ranges of different network that I have personally added. Okay, if I tap on this smart chain right here, if I tap, so to add new network, you just to click on add new network and then fill in the details just like you can see right there. Okay, and then once you fill in the details, you can grab the details from anywhere online. Okay, from the network website, let's say from the coin website. Okay, so now this is just a very smooth strip right here. That place where you see Ethereum rating, wallet rating at the top, is a place where you can actually easily switch between network. I can switch to smart chain anytime I want. Okay, and all the tokens on smart chain will be displayed. Okay, just like I have this one right here. So all of them will be displayed. Okay, then Now, having done that, one great advantage that MetaMask has is the only thing about MetaMask is it allows you to add, even if the network just came out today, you can add it to your MetaMask wallet and be able to operate on it or start using it as a wallet. Okay. Unlike the Trust Wallet is just the pre-installed network that is there that you can work with. You can add new network. You can always add new network, but you can just use the pre-installed network there. Okay, that's one. MetaMask also allow you to connect with your browser, like on your desktop. Okay, let's just go about that now. So MetaMask also allow you to connect with your browser using the browsing extension. So all you need to do is to download the extension, then enter your MetaMask address, wallet recovery phrase, and then your wallet will be displayed just like this. Okay, on the extension. Be careful of fishy link, fishy site. So with that extension, one can directly pay for items that you need to connect with your browser immediately on your desktop. It's just like this is like Web3 injected on your browser. So if I tap here, you could see the different ranges of network on this other MetaMask address that I've added on this system. I could perform every other transaction that I need to perform on this MetaMask. I could actually create new account and stuffs like that. So that's typically how to use MetaMask on your uh, MetaMask wallet. Okay, so the more, if I'm to talk about individually how some of those functions work, it will be really long videos. So I don't want to make it too long. If there's anything you don't understand, comment in the comment section. Like this video if you love my videos, like, subscribe, and then see you in my next video.